Hi, welcome to my channel. According to recent rumors, Apple has decided upon the flip-style device. It would feature a clamshell design akin to the Game Boy Advanced SP that opens into a phone and closes into a small square that can be pocketed. Future iPhones will likely see little change in display technology. The current generation of iPhones uses OLED displays, which already have flexible properties and could make their way into a foldable iPhone. Rumors indicate that Apple has already begun testing these two folding types, comparable to the Samsung Galaxy Fold, horizontal fold, and the Samsung Galaxy Flip, vertical fold. Both passed the initial tests, but rumors say Apple has decided to move forward with the flip style. Apple tends to put multiple cameras in its most premium devices, and the trend will likely continue for the iPhone Fold. The selfie camera and Face ID will appear above the usable screen on the inside. When open, whatever portion is considered the outside will house the rear camera system with LiDAR. A foldable will have a camera on the front, which acts as the rear camera when open. Apple uses A-series processors for its iPhone line, so the most obvious choice for the iPhone Fold would be the A15 or A16. The iPhone Fold is rumored to launch sometime in 2023 or 2024. Stay tuned for more exclusive renders of future Apple products on Launchpad. There are plenty of patents suggesting a number of prototypes are in the works, and the design and features on offer will largely reflect the price tag. It could be one of the cheaper foldables, like the £949 $999 Galaxy Z Flip 3, or it could be one of the larger foldables with a larger price tag. Thanks for watching this video.